Now at 6, neighbors catch a burglar in the act, stealing from a home in Lehigh Acres he didn't own. And the woman who caught the suspect says she knew he was up to no good. It's a Saturday, and you're watching NBC2 at 6. I'm Trent Bennett.
And I'm Claire Lavazorio. That witness was leaving her home early this morning, and that's when she and her husband spotted this man, Javier Lalondres, leaving a refrigerator and loading it onto his truck. No one lives in the home on Jaguar Boulevard. It's a new construction, like many homes are in Southwest Florida, so they immediately knew something was up. The woman and her husband decided to confront Lalondres, but he sped off. But they decided they were staying hot on his trail until he jumped out of his truck and left it running.
And that's when Lee County deputies stepped in to track him down. NBC2's Sarah Mankiewicz shows us how this early morning chase came to an end.
I'm afraid now, I don't know if this is a good area to build.
Jennifer Roldan and Albert Vergas already live in Lehigh Acres. They own land with plans to build their new home around the corner from the house that was broken into this morning off Jaguar Boulevard. But now they're not so sure.
It's really shocking to me because I never heard this in this area, because this area, she always told me, my girlfriend told me it was always good.
Lee County deputies say Javier Ramon Lalondres entered the Lehigh Acres home through a sliding glass door.
It's unfortunate that you invest so much and then you're going to feel insecure in your own place.
Deputies say neighbors saw Lalondres stealing a fridge from the home and loading it into his car at 1:45 this morning. When deputies got there, they found Lalondres in the woods. He was arrested and booked into the Lee County jail.
They should change the law a little bit for that. Because
More charges.
You have to work
the
hard
intention.
to get,
I'm local in Lehigh Acres, Sarah Mankiewicz, NBC2.